Hello my fibre friends, welcome to today's video, which is, as it's the 2nd of March, it's the first Tuesday of the month, it's my giveaway. So for this month, what I'm going to say to you is, please listen to what I'm saying, especially about the yarn that I'm giving away. Because the answer to the question that I have to ask, because it's international and I send worldwide, you need to be paying attention. So this is baby yarn. Well, I think it's baby yarn. It's very soft and it's from Yarn Inspirations, and it's the Bennett Pipsqueak Stripes, which has been tested for harmful substances, so it's very very nice for a baby. So it's, as I say, it's self-striping. So you've got the it starts off with the lavender, and then you've got well, I would say that's lilac and that's lavender. Then you've got the blue, the white, and then again. So it's really nice and soft. It is 280 grams. It's called Dreamboat, and it's a bulky 5mm and US 9 knit needles, 5.5 or an eye hook, which is a number 9, 100% polyester, 280 grams, 9.8 ounces, 284 yards and 260 meters. So you get one ball of this beautiful baby yarn, and it's so soft. You could even make a soft toy for a baby, couldn't you? That'd be really nice. I don't know about but who knows, I bet it would. You get my Hugger Mugger, which I'm still in the process of writing the pattern out for this. You get a case for these crochet hooks to go in, and there's 6 in a set, and they go from 2.5, a B hook, up to a G hook, which is 5. So you get them. You also get these inside an organza bag, and you get let me just open this up. I'll show you what you get. You get a stitch counter, a row counter, whatever you want to call it, and you get 10. You get 10 of the light bulb stitch markers. I mean, if you knit, you can just loop them on without opening them. And I've made, and you get one of my made stitch marker with the blue stone. So, the rules. You've got to be 18 and over. You must be a subscriber of my channel. Leave a comment. Hit the like button and share with your friends. You don't have to, but it would be nice if you shared with your friends. I've mentioned you've got to be over 18. I will pay for postage to send to you worldwide, wherever you are in the world, but I'm not liable to it when it gets to your end if you have to pay whatever taxes or whatever at your end. I'm not liable to that. But again, I'll put all the rules down below. And so the question is, what is this yarn used for? Now don't forget, what is this yarn recommended for? What would you use this for? And it begins with a B, and you could make a bee blanket. So yeah, so make sure that word beginning with B is in the comments, and I will pick the winner on the 29th, and the winner will be announced on the 30th of March. This closes at midnight on the 28th of March. That's GMT, my time. And all I want to say is good luck. And thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. I'm absolutely delighted to have you all here. You make my day. You make me very, very happy. Make my heart sing as well. So all I want to say is take care, everybody. Stay safe. And keep your social distancing. Wash your hands. And thank you all so much for watching. Take care. Bye bye for now.